So in the controls department, we take some of the bigger buildings and make them so that they can be controlled off of your iPad, phone, laptop from home, desktop in the office, however it sees fit. So this is a liquid natural gas plant in Port Arthur, Texas, and this plant is coming from the ground up. So this is not a retrofit, this is a new install. 13 different buildings that we're doing on site, all of which are gonna have the same control panel, same controls, basically the same layout. We are contracted with doing the ductwork, the units, all the controls. We're controlling close to 70 fire dampers, gas dampers, normal shut-off dampers, 4 complete air handling systems, all of the alarming. The factory authorized test was something we were instructed to do. As far as the test board and the visualization of that, that's something we took upon ourselves to buy the components for and build. The test board is just a visualization of what's on the graphics so that you don't just see it on the computer screen. You actually get to see a light lit up. They'll all be labeled so we'll know exactly what everything is, and so will everybody else that's sitting here. Star goes above and beyond on anything they do, whether it be a project, a service call, a spot customer that we just called us out of the blue. They go above and beyond. We look at it as ours when we install it. It's one thing the customer doesn't have to worry about. All he has to worry about is if he has a problem, he calls and we take care of it.